If you're wondering what is HeartSounds, I'm here to tell you. HeartSounds is the Children's Center of the Antelope Valley's annual charity gala. 19% of children in the Antelope Valley need specialty mental health services, and the Children's Center serves 12% of those children. Every ticket purchased, every sponsorship secured, and every auction item donation helps bridge the gap, ensuring children and families receive uninterrupted mental health services when they need them most. On February 20, 2027, we invite you to join us for the Golden Gala, a night of pure imagination, an evening inspired by the whimsical world of Willy Wonka, and help us create brighter futures, one child, one family, and one act of generosity at a time.